Hi, this is Catherine from In the Pink Designs. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And my project for today is a card, which this is most of it. I just changed up a little bit. So what we're going to start with is the last of I stamped to the new Mr. and Mrs. from the last A Lifetime stamp set onto a die from the Hippo and Friends stamp set. And I used some vellum with the Forever Flourishing dies, some white linen ribbon from the Flowers for Every Season ribbon combo pack, and the blue paper, which I don't have any more of this exact one, is from the Subtles, just 6x6 designer series paper. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with this designer series paper that is 3 3/4 wide by 5 inch long. Alright, and I cut out my vellum leaves. And the first one, we're going to put kind of like this, and you're going to need your glue dots. And what I do is I hold it where I want it. Oopsie. And I just put it under one of the leaves that's going to mostly be covered, let's say. But that's not going to happen on all of it. But you can cover it with a sequin, or I'm using metallic pearls. It would be really great with sequins too. Okay, and then we're going to put this one over it, just like that. And just stick down as little glue dots as you can, but you want to make sure that it's secure. So you use what you have to, just don't go overboard. Put one under here. And then maybe one out here. And for the small ones, I kind of just roll up my glue dot the best I can. So it's a small. Okay, that's great. Now, I also cut an extra Whisper White piece from the Hippo and Friends die that we're going to just layer a little bit like this. Okay, so I'm going to use some glue. Once you have all your materials cut out and you're set, you're in pretty good shape. Oh, until you do that, you're in pretty good shape. Okay, doesn't take you too long to finish the card. And you could do a version of this on like a 5x7 card. You just might probably need 3 or 4, or add some other leaves in with the vellum. Alright, and we're just going to stick this right here. I might put another. Alright, so we'll use our stamp and seal. I'm going to put it as far to the corners as possible, but just leaving a little bit so you can still see the edge. Make sure it's straight. There we go. Okay, and then I'm just going to put another glue dot under there so it doesn't block the words too bad. You can also put this down first, and then that helps you decide where you're going to put your leaves. I just wanted to pull it to the left a little bit. Okay. That's done with that. Okay. Now we're going to mount this on a piece of basic gray that is 4 by 5 1/4. put the glue on the wrong side. So what we'll do is we'll put it on our card base, which is Whisper White. That is 4 1/4 by 8 1/2, which is just half a piece of cardstock. And then I just fold it in the middle. All right, now that's what I should have done in the first place. Flip over this piece. You could use glue to do this. You just have to not use too much because you don't want to wrinkle up your papers. There you go. Okay. Now for the finishing touches. I tied a bow with the last of my white linen ribbon. And what I did the first time is I clipped off a little bit of these so they don't stick up above the bow. And I'm going to put it right there, and I'm going to put, I think, 2 glue dots on the back of this. And we're going to just kind of put it up in the corner just like that. And then we'll trim our ribbon down. Now you can use the beautiful seam binding ribbon that I haven't gotten. It's on my order, but it hasn't gotten here yet. It would look gorgeous because it would be all crinkly. But I love this ribbon also. Okay, now I'm going to use some metallic pearls, and we're going to put 3 down here. So I start with the middle one so that I can center it nicely. And then I just put 1 on either side. And there you go. Now I'm just going to scatter some, I think this one. Yeah, this one's a little too long. It looked a little bit different. There we go. All right, now we're just going to scatter some ribbons around. Some metallic dots, pearls. And I think I want 1 there. Just scatter them around as you like. It's best to put an odd number because it kind of is pleasing to the eye. So I would say either 5 or 7 and scatter them around. It's 4. Put 1 out here, 5. 6, and maybe right here, and 7. And there you have your pretty card. Quick, not too difficult. The most time it takes really is the cutting out of the vellum and the two labels and the 2 pieces of cardstock. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you liked this quick and easy wedding card. And I would love it if you would subscribe. Okay, So I wanted to just share with you something I found that was great. I found this little case at, well, it's not so little, medium-sized case at Dollar Tree in their school supply section, and it fits my Stamp and Blend markers pretty well. It keeps them in there, and it's relatively sturdy for Dollar Tree. So I just wanted to give you that tip. Thank you so much for joining me today. I would love it if you would subscribe. And you can buy anything that I've used today at the address above from Stampin' Up! Through me. And I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.